Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I'm going to answer an outdoor living question, and that's how much does an outdoor kitchen cost? I'm talking about the type of outdoor kitchen where there's the metal frame, you put the cement board on it, there's like stone on the front, you've got the granite countertops, you've got your grill built into it, you've got the little mini fridge down here, you've got the metal cabinet doors. Those are beautiful, I love those. There's a very simple way to determine how much those cost. They are typically priced by the linear foot plus the appliances. So for just the actual frame, the stonework, the tops and all that, the typical range is between $1,200 to $1,800, $1,200 to $1,800 per linear foot. So if you're doing a 10-foot kitchen, you're looking at between $12,000 and $18,000, including all the stuff except probably just the grill and the vent hood. Those are usually really pretty high dollar value items that aren't included in that. So if you're looking for a design on a custom outdoor kitchen or an outdoor living space, go to homelove.construction/design and we will connect you with one of our outdoor living designers who can actually do a 3D video rendering for you and show you exactly what your outdoor space is going to look like. Then if you're in the Tampa Bay area, we can actually go out and build that for you. If you're outside the Tampa Bay area, we can still do the design for you, and then we can help you get in contact with a local vendor and even do vetting and contract review with you to help you make sure you're picking the perfect person to execute our amazing design. If you need that, go to homelove.construction/design. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your attention. If this video brought you some value, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.